said nothing. On your knees. Do it.
Please,
No.
sell me the Coronet. Please.
No.
It's a very funny looking vehicle.
I thought it was cool. Did I need it? No.
Wow. That is bright pink.
Remember what makes us human, Matt?
Yes,
Our ability to laugh at Matt's pain and suffering.
Hey Siri, call Mike RVR King Dingus.
No.
Where are you?
Contemplating life on the shitter.
Pensive and pinching. Okay, goodbye.
Concentration and defecation.
Yes, King, goodbye. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at the panel and the bus. The yellow one and the two yellow. That is cool. That's cool car, Michael.
That's not a cool car, Matt.
Oh my God.
I now own two of those and a convertible. They're all the same.
Where's the rest of them?
The other one's at Blair's. Actually, both of the other 57. Remember the four-door?
Yeah.
That's the same car, Matt.
Oh, cool. That's a really cool front end.
Yes, Matt. 57 Canadian Pontiac.
That's really cool.
Yes, and very rare. They made 857 of those.
Really?
Yeah, the sedan delivery. And the other one I bought that's up at Blair Smith's place is body number 57.
Oh, it's 1950. Yes.
And I was born in 57, so it's all a bunch of 57 bull.
Yes.
Anyway, I mean, it's rough, but it's cool.
But it's solid. Like
Well,
it's not like
Matt,
it's,
it needs rockers,
Yes,
needs
yes.
floors, needs.
like this is fun. Like,
Yes, Matt, there are some good square feet of actual metal, yes.
why is that so hard?
It's not so hard here, right? It's just there's a curve.
Like here?
Or there could be 8 inches of mud there. I don't know. I don't think so. I don't know. I mean, obviously, see, there's a little bit of repair work required here, but the other
but
one
it's
I got off Blair, this whole piece has to
You're
be changed.
restoring this?
I don't know what I'm doing with it,
The
Matt.
door shuts. Was it past the
Oh,
test?
look at that. Oh.
Very
This
nice.
side not so
Very
good.
nice.
I mean,
Yes,
basically,
whatever.
all this sheet metal is the same as Chevy, right?
It's like Avery, the first demo shoot when he's like.
Yeah. That's called flow-through ventilation, man.
But it's cool, eh?
Yes.
Panels are cool.
See, and the dash is Pontiac only, right?
Yes, decent.
Anyway,
The panels are cool. Okay, but the bus.
the bus.
That's what it looked like.
Yes.
It's funny because it's
Does
not like
it not look like the cartoon bus? Like, you know?
Yes, when you would draw like a kid.
Yes.
Yes, because it's got the small hood but the big kind of back. And what's in it?
Tower of Power, slant 6. But I
That's-
could get a Cummins.
That's what it came with?
Yeah. Well, I don't know what it came with. It probably came with a 318, but
How was it to tow?
no problem.
Well, brand new 1 ton?
Yeah, and that big trailer of Connor's.
Yeah,
It's a
'cause
little
that's-
top heavy, but
Because it has amazing brakes.
I mean, it's missing the gasket, right? There's just a gasket here, a 2-part gasket, right? That seals just
That
above my
big?
bus.
Yeah. Oh, like this?
Yes, yeah.
Somewhat. Oh, it's got hardwood flooring.
floors.
Oh my God. It's kind of ready to go.
Yeah, kind of, sort of, Matt, yes.
To someone else, no.
I don't know. I can always downsize from 40 feet to 15.
It could be your
Like it's a little short, but you don't usually spend much time standing up in your bus.
I don't know. What do you do with this?
I don't know.
It's your t-shirt bus. That's what you should do.
Yes, it'd make a great t-shirt.
Because you could do it pretty quick.
Yeah.
You had to yes, it cost you what?
It cost me more to go get it than it did to buy it. Compared to the Dodges we normally work with, this thing's in excellent shape. Compared to the 70 Charger,
It's cool.
yeah. Well, and I think it's about as short as it gets.
That's a big like back.
Yeah. I don't know if it opens. I never even tried. Oh yeah. There's your storage, right? Needs a little bit of work at the bottom of the doors, but I mean it's whatever. It's 60 years old. Anyway, I thought it was cool. Did I need it? No.
Does it make you happy?
Kind of, yes.
I'm not gonna walk over there in my new shoes. Actually,
Makes you happy.
I feel like brand new Hokas. The front end is like it's
Cartoonish.
it's very fun. It's a very funny looking vehicle.
This
Like,
one's dented, but
but still.
this will be almost impossible to find. But I think I know someone that has spares because I've got the other one up at Blair's, right? Apparently these are super hard to find. These?
Well, you have to tuck this in the back, eh?
Yeah.
The grill's amazing.
Yeah. Anyway, let's go look at tank charges. So whose video are we shooting this for? Is this for the ADD commercial?
No, it's for Rush.
Are you sure, Matt? Fuck, it didn't rain last night.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna fix that.
You never
It's
fixed.
on the list. It's on the list.
Wow, that is bright pink. Missing a light still. Oh, there it is. That is nicely sprayed.
Chris did a great job.
I don't know much.
Man, he was spraying as fast as I could mix it.
He's that good, eh?
This is well, we had the new SATA gun, and
But look at this, like
yes, And this isn't even prepped properly. I mean, it's good for underneath, but it's not as.
Well, but still.
Yes, no, it's on there smooth and thick and creamy. And this is single stage, right? So there's no polish, and this is the finished product.
Speaking of single stage, what is that paint called that Richard used on the rail car? Endura.
Yeah.
Are you happy with all the sealing and everything?
Yeah, right? I mean, it's all seam sealed.
Show me. Oh, there's a seam seal. Remember we talked about seam steel there on Mike's channel?
Yeah, it's all
This
there.
here?
In the
And
trunk.
all this here,
I was
man?
supposed to do it, but I was.
This textured stuff, that's
Yeah.
seam steel. Fuck, they're cool cars. You know what I was reading online? There was an article that popped up in my feed. When they're shooting the Dukes of Hazzard, they're destroying so many cars from the jumps and the whatever
Yeah.
that they were like flying around everywhere to try and find parts cars and cars in fields. Even at that time, when was Dukes of Hazzard?
60s,
when were the Dukes
70s.
of
Well, it'd have to be after 70 because the first Charger was 68. The other one they started using, I think, was 69. So it'd have to be
in the
70,
70s.
70, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they destroyed lots.
The inventory. So I'm just like, it's just interesting because how many Chargers are left?
Hang on.
Like 68.
Let's just Google how many
What-
did they destroy.
Yeah,
I
what-
think they made a total of almost 250,000. See, they were only supposed to make 35,000 in 68. They made 96. Like they made 100,000 cars in 68.
Really?
69. Anyway, so 90,000. Then I think I know the last one was 140. They must have probably made
Right.
80,000. So yeah, somewhere like there was.
And what was this originally?
Like 250,000 give or take.
Right. And what was this originally?
This one was original, just a K. You know how Mopar, the second digit is the trim level.
Sure.
So most Chargers were XP
Yes.
or XS, which was an RT. This was an XH, base model Charger.
Okay.
And they didn't make many of them. So it didn't even have door panels.
Was this metal?
It was just metal. That's why we had a hard time figuring out doors. Split bench, column shift, automatic, small rear end, drum brakes all around, 14-inch rims. Base. No stripe package, no vinyl top. So it's actually, they only made 18 of these base model pink ones. So it's actually rarer than the RT.
So it's a reverse rare car in the sense
Yeah.
that it's a base model
It's a base model, yes.
that had barely any options.
Options except FM3 and white upholstery, which is a pretty stunning combination.
Yes. So you're basically.
And we're gonna go from split bench to bucket seats. So when we put the floor in, we put the bucket seat mounts.
So how do you make sure that's in the right spot?
Well, actually, I think most of the AMD ones just come with it pre-established, like just bolted there, like they come.
Oh,
with
this
those.
was already here?
I'm not
So
sure
bolted
if
into
it
what was there
yes.
before?
No, basically.
Who added this?
Some of the floors come with them.
Yes.
Some don't. So if this one came with them, then AMD would have put them in. If not, Mike would have welded it in because basically the
Oh,
split
because this is a brand new floor.
Yeah,
Okay,
right. So
sorry, yeah.
basically the split bench would have 2 here and 2 there.
Yeah.
So the buckets they had to add the extra reinforcement plates.
How much is it, the floor?
I don't know, $800-900 I
Not
forget.
horrible. Okay, for the door panels then, so they just put flat
Well, I'll show you, but not here.
Because how is it safe?
See this? This is
You
the base.
still gotta cover the holes, no?
No, they're door panels, but all the upper trim levels have that padded panel here.
Okay.
So this one doesn't. This is it. That's the screw, and there's a little plug there,
That's it.
and that's it. And the other ones have holes.
And it has the black, the white pad here.
So there's a pad here, and then there's another padded
But for this one, it's just
up
steel.
top. Yeah, but it's just steel.
Okay.
So we had to find another door and weld the holes up.
Ah, okay.
Because the other door, here's an RT, well, here's actually a Hemi door, I needed to sacrifice it, but see all these holes? So this would have been for the,
The grommet?
actually that's an adjustment, but because they had door panels, and you see how big these holes are here?
Yes.
Because they had door panels cover them.
Yes. Yeah.
But on this door, because they didn't have the door panels, even the sizes of the holes are different. See how big that hole is? That's just for the door latch, right?
Okay.
And this hole is where a screw went.
But that's the same as that, no?
Yes. So, but on this one, because they didn't have the door panels,
Right, this is,
This hole-
there's no big hole.
no, see? This is the size of the hole, because there's no door panel to cover it.
so what's that used for?
Yeah, so there's just that's for your door lock,
Oh, that's a door lock on top.
right? But because
The bigger
they had to
hole
put
has
the
a
door
pad,
panels
yeah,
over,
yeah,
so they just had, they had some
put the
wiggle
pad-
room.
they had to put the
And this
pad on.
hole was a big giant hole, because it didn't matter, because there's a pad covered it.
Right, but the big hole over there is because the pad goes in.
Yeah, so
Seats in
it hides it,
Yeah,
Well, it
yeah.
just hides it. But anyway, that's quite the pancake,
Are
Matt.
you pumped driving this? Where are you gonna drive this?
Not on gravel roads to the Arctic Ocean, guarantee you.
Are you gonna take it across
I
Canada?
don't know what I'm doing with it. It's not finished yet, Matt. But Todd dropped off more parts. Now I've got all the intake. We got the tranny, we got the oil pan, we got the intake.
You had a bunch of stuff for you, right?
Yeah, right to get right. And then our good friends at QA1.
Oh yeah, are you excited pump with the, are you
Yes,
excited
I
to
want to get Connor out here. And this is all the suspension for that right here. This whole pallet.
Oh really? Oh, that's gonna be fun.
Yeah, I know.
But that's all bolt and go.
Yeah, well, I don't, supposedly not, but you know me and instructions.
So what kind of
This is QA1 Stage 2
What's
V-body suspension.
what's in the 70?
The 70, don't know yet. We don't know what we're putting in. We were gonna go with the Speed Tech, but you've got to do a lot of cutting, and there's not really much point in making a Hemi car handle that good, because it's gonna be totally nose heavy, so I'm not sure yet.
But that's a newer Hemi, I thought you were
This, okay,
Wait,
this one, yes, but I
What's
got
this going in?
this, the pink one.
Yes, but that's the engine is not heavy.
No, but I thought you were talking about this 70, because that's getting the big heavy, the 426 and the Super B.
In the Super B, yes. But is that stuff that goes in there too?
No,
That's in
I
there.
could, I'm just.
You haven't got it, you're
I'm
waiting.
just not there yet.
So this is gonna be plenty for that.
Oh, totally, yes. This will
that
totally
engine is
updated,
like-
because the Hemi's lightweight.
Yes, yes. The
It's about
5.7, the 5.7.
5.7 is about the same weight as
Is
a
that
small
technically a
box.
heavy?
Well, it is a
That's
Hemi,
technically
yes, it has hemispherical combustion chambers.
How many horsepower is that gonna have?
Well, we just, Dustin's buddy sending us a cam, so it'll probably be 4 1/4.
Plenty.
That's plenty, I'm not greedy.
No.
I mean, I've driven well, my Chevelle has 385, it rocks. The other Chevelle has 275, and it's driven around the world.
Yes, it's
but
fine. But
I'm good.
But that engine has what, just low mileage?
20,000 miles.
Good.
Yes.
So what, you just put a cam in it and go?
Cam in it, and then, well, here, I'll show you the intake. See, this is the intake.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, baby.
Did you get a deal on that?
Doesn't matter, whatever he paid for it. This was all, Todd was gonna do all this stuff.
Right.
And now he's changed his plans, so I told him I was gonna do one, so.
Oh, because he was going to do that with
Do
one
one,
of his
yes,
cars.
yes, I mean, that's why I bought the tranny off him, right, and then there's an oil pan there.
Is that a 5-speed or 6-speed?
6-speed,
Oh, that's going to be sweet.
Yes.
Your first 6-speed, no?
right, and these are the hooker headers.
Right, yeah, that's what I saw in his van. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, so anyway,
Where are my cornets? Come on, sell me the cornets.
you
Please.
get nothing.
Please.
Nothing.
I'm gonna go get
on
that.
your knees, do it.
Please,
no.
sell me the
no,
cornets,
No,
please.
you're gonna sell me the cornet.
No, you don't need it.
You're not a
get too
Dodge
much-
guy.
Let me do one
No,
car.
you
God
get
damn
nothing.
it.
No,
It's
man.
more content for the channel.
Yeah, more content
Or
for
we'll
your
do it.
channel.
How about this?
No,
Like the buggy, we'll do it together.
Matt,
It's still a good car. The RT is a good car. Make it a roller.
what part of no don't you understand? The N or the O?
We got the buggy. It's just like kind of like it's just sitting there.
Yeah, I tell you what, I'll sell you the buggy, and then you can take it out to barrier. I will sell you my half. There you go. You can have the buggy. That's your style.
Great.
Anyway, this one's gonna be cool.
Talking
too.
about do stuff.
I've already ordered parts for this one.
What are you gonna do with that? What year is that Charger?
That is a 1970 pound to it, Mo. RTSE 4-speed Dana 60 Charger, Matt.
but-
This
Buckets?
buckets. This is
This is
this is a step up from the pink one Lyle did, except it's not pink.
which one? Where'd you get this from?
Prairie Fire. This is the one I went to.
Oh, was
Okay,
it
so-
a JJ car or no?
No, but red is a rare color. The
Yes.
fact it's a 4-speed track pack car, so it came with a Dana 60, 440, 4-speed, Dana 60, 354, black vinyl top, red car. They used this as a parts car 30 years ago. Like they fired up torches to
Oh,
cut
right.
pieces off it, right?
Yeah, you get B-roll off.
Right here, look.
Okay, there you go.
Right? Like they fired up torches, like they probably wanted the trunk drop off or something. I don't know, like who knows, right? Like what were they thinking? The other quarter's fixable.
Okay, cool. Well,
Here,
what about
here, we're gonna walk around.
Oh my God, these
Here,
are
get
brand
this
new Hokas.
I mean, look, Matt, like this thing, because it was high perfect, came with a 26-inch rad, so they took these pieces because you
yeah.
couldn't buy them.
Yeah, it looks
but
like
they
it's
didn't
stuck.
destroy it. So this number, I've got this number, I've got the trunk number, I've got the VIN, and I got the fender tag.
Right, that's all you need.
So it's all, right?
So this is a money car.
This is a money car.
This is a $250,000 car.
Well, it's probably pushing 200K if you get it done right. But I don't know. But it's the best one I've ever had. These original fenders, they're fixable.
Yeah, correct.
Right? I mean, normally there's nothing left here. Like that's where the battery tray was. There isn't even a hole rotted from the battery acid. Right?
That's
I
pretty
mean,
cool.
look at this quarter.
Oh yeah, look at that.
It's got dents.
I can even pop that out.
Yes, Matt. Yeah, well, okay, let's not get carried away.
This original?
Yes, special edition.
That's probably worth a lot of money.
Well, no, but it's just cool because.
Isn't it?
Okay.
It's money. It's original.
Okay, so out of.
That's $100 all day long.
Oh, probably, yeah.
Yeah.
But the thing is, so out of all 1970 RTSEs, there was probably 250 of them red 4-speed. So it's a pretty rare Dodge.
Yes. Yes.
Right.
And
So
you-
I didn't know that red was actually quite a rare color for Dodge.
Right. My 4 shoes, like every time, I'm like, I'm gonna change these and wear something else when I get out of the car.
So Matt,
What?
how many pairs of shoes do you own? 100?
No.
Mo, how many pairs of shoes does he own?
I've lost count, if I'm honest.
That's right. That's right. That's
I
right.
know, but these
Yes,
are
bro.
clean. These are brand. Oh no, Michael!
Remember what makes us human, Matt?
Yes,
Our ability to laugh at Matt's pain and suffering. My shoes. Okay, let's go. Let's go eat.
Shoes. Okay, we're into notes on the show. The adapting
You
circuit.
happy?
Oh, we haven't sent it yet. We're just the director submitted his version, and then now we go through it, and we have final say. So then we go through it. Hey Siri, call Terminal City Club. Okay, look, just try not to make too many disparaging comments. This is the private club that I'm a member of. I'm trying to book a room for a screening on Tuesday.
Please leave a message.
What kind of
Press the pound key to end recording.
I'm gonna give you my number on
Welcome to your voice message.
Okay, Jesus, thank God I could delete that. Frank!
What the do you want?
You wanna go for breakfast?
What are you doing, Frank?
No, actually, I phoned you for a reason.
Oh God.
Hey, about last year, did you apply for electrical job?
Matthew, me?
Yeah,
Electrical job where?
at my friend's company in Salmon Arm.
Did I apply for an electrical job as myself for a job?
Yeah, in Salmon Arm.
No, I don't have it. I would not trust myself anything.
You don't even know how to plug a cord in, Frank.
I know. He said someone sent in your picture with a third year, being a third year apprentice looking for a job.
The only
And
thing
I'm on
he's
the way down. I'm driving here to Vancouver with him, and we're both laughing at it. I said, I'm going to phone him. That guy couldn't even screw a light bulb in.
Frank,
Yes.
the only thing he's third year apprentice at is ball licking.
Oh my God.
That's what I said.
But honestly, I would not trust myself with anything electrical.
Yeah. What are you hanging out with my buddy Michael for?
We're going for breakfast.
Trying
that
to
I'm gonna
rip
pay
me
for.
off. That's right.
Yeah, we're going for breakfast that I'm going to pay for.
He continues
I
to
thought, yeah, well,
exploit
that's
me.
normal, but-
Okay, well, Matt's gonna go and buy us all breakfast. Too bad you're not here. We'd put you on his tab, Frank.
No. I'm down in Vancouver, so I'll be back today, though. I'll see you guys after. Thank you.
Okay, take care, Frank. Drive safe.
Bye-bye.